In this episode of our Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer course, we are going to assign to you your assignment for dictionaries. Let's jump in and take a look at this assignment so you can get some hands-on experience with these. You are going to create a dictionary, and you need to call the dictionary snacks. The keys are the first names of 3 friends. The values are their favorite snacks. Now, you're going to be doing 4 things inside this little application. First, I want you to code to check for if Alice is a key value or key entry in snacks. And then you're going to print all the friends' names using the .keys method. Then you're going to print all the snacks using the .values. And then finally, you're going to print each friend and their snack using items. So a nice review of a bunch of the material that we had in our dictionaries section. Have fun with this, and I'll see you in the next video for your solution.